Welcome to Casual Comfort. Today we're taking one rich red sweater and turning it into 5 winter-ready outfits that look luxe, feel cozy, and work for real life. Think of this sweater as your seasonal power piece, bold enough to brighten gray days, refined enough to feel quiet luxury, and practical enough to go from coffee runs to dinners out. We'll play with texture, proportion, and color balance so the red never overwhelms you, it simply elevates you. Whether your style leans classic, modern, or a little romantic, you'll find a formula here you can copy tomorrow morning. Ready? Let's style. Red sweater with a skirt. Start with a midi skirt to balance the sweater's softness with a sleek, elongated line. A satin bias cut midi makes the red glow and adds fluid movement. A pleated chiffon adds lightness and swish. A leather or faux leather pencil adds polish and a subtle edge. Tuck the sweater fully for definition, or try a relaxed French tuck to keep volume controlled without losing ease. On legs, semi-opaque black tights or a tonal burgundy pair lengthen the silhouette. Shoes, knee-high boots for warmth and drama, or pointed ankle boots for a clean finish. Add gold huggy earrings, a slim belt, black or oxblood, and a structured mini crossbody. If you're chilly, drape a camel coat over your shoulders. The warm neutral grounds the red and makes the whole look feel expensive, not loud. Red sweater with trousers. Pair your red knit with high-waisted, wide-leg trousers to create that editor off-duty silhouette. Charcoal, chocolate, taupe, or cream all downshift the brightness while keeping things chic. A half tuck defines the waist. A full tuck plus a belt reads sharper for work. Add loafers or sleek sneakers for daytime. Switch to heeled boots for evening. Play with texture. Tweed trousers, heritage charm. Twill office smart. Soft corduroy, cozy, tactile depth. Layer a long-line blazer in black or brown for clean verticals, or a checked blazer if you want quiet pattern. Finish with a watch, small hoop earrings, and a leather tote. Tip: if your sweater is chunky, counterbalance with drapey trousers. If it's fine gauge, pleated wool pants add presence without bulk. Red sweater over or under a dress. Your red sweater plus a dress is the winter layering move that feels styled, not fussy. Over, pull it on top of a slip dress and add a slim belt over the sweater to create a skirt set illusion. Suddenly, that summer satin becomes a winter star. Under, layer a fine gauge red turtleneck beneath a sleeveless knit dress or a pinafore for warmth and color peeking at the neck and cuffs. Florals? Choose moody, deeper prints, wine, forest, navy, to keep the palette harmonious. Footwear that seals the deal. Knee-high boots for the slip, lug sole Chelsea boots for the pinafore, or block heel Mary Janes with tights for romantic charm. Outer layer, a wrap coat or belted wool coat that echoes one color in the dress pattern will make the outfit feel thought through and cinematic. If you're enjoying these ideas, hit subscribe if you haven't already, give this video a like, and drop a comment telling me which look you're trying first, or what you want me to style next. Your support helps me keep making cozy, elegant fashion videos for you. Red sweater with denim. A red sweater plus denim is winter's easiest win. Just focus on fit and contrast. Day, straight leg mid-wash jeans, white sneakers or chocolate ankle boots, and a camel scarf for warmth. Add a trench or quilted liner jacket for texture and a minimalist canvas tote. Night, swap to dark indigo or black wide-leg jeans, pointed boots, and a sleek belt. Layer a leather jacket for edge or a black blazer for instant sophistication. Jewelry matters here. A single bold piece, a chain necklace, chunky cuff, or sculptural earrings keeps the look elevated. Try a bright lip stain that complements the sweater, raspberry or cherry, but keep the rest of your makeup soft. Let the knit be the statement. If your sweater is oversized, balance with slim or straight denim. If it's fitted, wide leg or barrel jeans create a striking proportion play. Monochrome and outerwear. Build a rich, quiet luxury look by staying in one color family. Pair your saturated red sweater with burgundy trousers, an oxblood velvet skirt, or a berry silk midi. Tone-on-tone reads intentional and elegant. To keep the outfit refined, not sugary, anchor with dark neutrals for accessories, chocolate, espresso, charcoal, or black. Mix textures for depth. Soft cashmere plus sleek satin or leather equals volume and dimension without clutter. Keep makeup calm but add a berry lip to echo the palette. This is the reach for a look on busy days that still feels perfectly planned. Red is confidence you can wear, warm, joyful, and instantly put together. With the right proportions, textures, and tones, a single sweater becomes a whole season of outfits. Feminine with a skirt, smart with trousers, romantic layered over a dress, off-duty with denim, and elevated in monochrome under great outerwear. Save these formulas, try one tomorrow, and let winter be your most stylish, cozy chapter yet. See you in the next video.